Okay, what is your take on this? I want to hear it.
So if you don't know, this is the new M3 concept. It's not really the M3 concept, although it kind of is. It's actually the Concept M new class that they revealed at Le Mans recently. And from what we understand, this is essentially what the new M3 is going to look like.
It's very close to production ready, is my understanding.
It's very similar to the Vision Driving Experience test car that they showed off earlier this year. It's meant to be a preview of the upcoming electric M3. They have other electric vehicles and then M, whatever their M naming convention, but they're not real M cars. This is their first, or will be their first, M electric vehicle. Mm-hmm. That's based on the upcoming electric i3 sedan, and it adds some aggressive M-specific aero. It's got these yellow racing lights here, aero with the front and the rear, of course, these side skirts. What do I think of it? At first, I hated it. The first time it showed up, I was like, this looks like a modern and ugly Pontiac Firebird. The front is a Firebird, and they had to have used that as a reference because they also got very similar rims to it too. So I'm like, there's no way they weren't looking at that. They're trying to make all these tiebacks to the E30 M3, which at first I did not see at all.
Fender flares over the rear wheels look just like the E30 M3.
It's met with mixed reactions. Some people really like it. In all of its press images and where it's being shown off, it's shown next to this E30 M3. I did not get it at all when they're like, yeah, this is kind of like the modern interpretation of that. I'm like, I do not see it. It wasn't until I saw the side profile of that vehicle, and then you look at this new one from the side, I'm like, okay, I see it now.
Can I ruin this car for you?
Let me just say one thing, and then yes.
Okay.
This angle is the only one where I see a resemblance. I think it has great proportions. Tires are really far to the front, really far to the back. I like the more boxy look of it. I like it, but it might be because I personally haven't liked any BMW sedans in a long time other than the M2, which is a great looking car. Other than that, I've not really liked any BMW sedans in a long time, just the way they look. The way this sticks out over the rear wheels like that and just the overall shape, I like the profile. What ruins it for me is the front and the rear graphics. Those are weird. But the side profile I actually really like.
So I can agree with you on that. However, go back a few slides. Go back to where you're looking, the first slide you showed of this picture.
Let me see if they're... Okay. You want the front or the back?
I'm going to say a car, and you're not going to be able to unsee it.
Okay.
Chevy Volt.
Just a high belt line?
Gen 1. Little kink here. This is all black. It has the proportions of a Chevy Volt and this really high, flat side.
Yeah. Yeah, I can see it.
And the short hood. The short rear deck lid. It's Chevy Volt. As far as proportions, and
the rear deck is really short.
Yeah,
really short.
Totally Chevy Volt here. I think the front end. When I see that, I don't think BMW at all. I get zero brand presence in my mind from that. There's not even an attempt at a kidney grill. There's no kidney grill on the car, which is like the single most identifiable thing about a BMW. Mm-hmm. I don't have super strong feelings about this other than it's just not for me.
Yeah.
And that it looks like a Chevy Volt.
We don't have any specs yet. I think the back's honestly the worst. The ducktail's too much. The deck lid's too short.
Split ducktail?
Yeah, that's weird. And then these giant openings in the back. Not for me. But again, the side, I like the side. I think it looks good from the side. It's based on the electric i3 that's coming up. That has 463 horsepower, 440 miles of range, evidently, and 400 kilowatt charging.
800 volt.
Mm-hmm.
100 kilowatt hours. Out of 100 kilowatt hours, Lucid's the only one getting 440 plus miles.
Yeah.
They're getting closer to 500 miles out of 100
And this
kilowatts.
does not look nearly as aerodynamic as a Lucid.
No. Maybe it's new battery tech that they've got in there.
Could be. The i3 is only dual motor, where this will be quad motor. That's another big difference. They confirmed that, of course, the M3 will also be getting a combustion version and an electric version.
As they go, this is a pretty cool Volt.
I would pick this way over that Ferrari.
Yeah.
But,
Yeah. I would also
the bar's pretty low.
I would also drink sour milk over eating nails. So